Good morning, and welcome to the channel of RAThbun. Grab yourself a cup of coffee and maybe even a sandwich to watch this video. It's going to be a long one about putting a new awning on the motorhome. Thank you.
Good morning. We're out walking the dog. What else would I get up this early for? Yep, sun's not up yet. Not quite. About 6:30, I think. Just thought I'd show you how clear the sky is here, and bit of sunrise looks like here. Nice and orange. It's not, the sky is full of dust. Okay, Arizona itself is a dusty little town. Agriculture everywhere. I don't know if I'll have any videos of that, but they grow one crop right after the other. As soon as it's harvested, they plow back in into the ground the scrap that's left over from whatever they grew, and they start raising another crop. So it's always being used. Colorado River, I think, is what waters this place. And so you got dust, you smell it, your lungs feel it when you're down here. Everybody in my group can feel it in their lungs. They're coughing a little bit, you know. But it's warm. Matter of fact, it's going to be real hot the next few days. I think this is our last cool day, which is about mid-80s. From there, it's going to only get warmer, up to 105 in about 10 days. I think it's supposed to be 105. This is only a week and a half we've been here. We came late this year, later than we should have, really, later than we would have ever. But we came down to see the air show, which doing, since there's a war on, there's no air show. So anyway, the campground, it's nice, it's clean. That's what the weather's about here. You got a smell every morning. It's undescribable. It's kind of a dewy dust smell, I would call it. But no other dogs in here. Couldn't take Hank for a walk last night because of had pit bulls in here and other dogs, and they just want to tear his little butt up. So we walked around instead of walking in here. He likes it in here. Lots of dog smells. Yesterday was a building day. We had the RVs washed. You seen that in a video. And we had, let's see, I put one up on top and put on new vent covers. I don't know if you can see them from here. I'll try to get a shot of them. I didn't film none of that. It ain't that dang interesting. Today is another building and meeting day. We're going to meet some people down here that we haven't hung out with yet, and they're leaving soon, so they want to get together. We're also going to put a new awning on the RV. Hopefully we get that done on film. That's kind of interesting. Anyway, that's over Frosty. That's Charlie's right there, so we're only a short block away. But let me see if I can show you the other thing if my boy's ready. Okay, there's the new one of them there, right above right on the corner. And then we put one a little farther forward. That's the one we put on there. Let me get something braced because had to get a long ways away to be able to see him. That's the one I had to fix right there in the middle of the screen because it has no latch. And so we got to push it up by hand because I ain't paying $150 for another one of them right now. So anyway, that's how we fixed that. So I can still close it and open it manually if I need to, but it's more difficult. But I can leave it open this way with the fan going, and no rain can get into it that way. That's what we did that for. Same way with that one there. We have one more up there we could cover, but did not. Now that right there, that's my ladder with my antenna. That works well, very well. Let me go show you a close-up of that. Okay, now this unit did not come with an antenna. So, I had the ladder on the back of here, and I thought, well, let's just put a pole on there, and I'd carry the pole right in there. And then when I get somewhere permanently, I ain't gonna do this every little stop, but like we're gonna be here for a month, I just put that up, got a little brace right up there to hold it, and then I run the ladder up. As you can see, got another little brace right there that holds the ladder nice and tightly. Then you got a little brace right there that holds it directionally with this. Let's see if we can get over here. I can tune it in, and then I just shove something into it. You can shove a stick in there, it doesn't matter. It'll hold it in what direction you want it to point. Just a piece of PCV pipe bent around there keeps that from going anywhere. Then the ladder, I didn't want it to go all the way up, so I made this little turnbuckle, which keeps it from going down. Works well, works well. Anyway, that's information for today, and that's all it is for right now. Stay tuned for how they put an awning on this thing. That'll be interesting. Have a great day, everybody. Well, beautiful day, beautiful day. We're getting it installed. This is the company doing it. We've had them do a couple. Good company, reputable in the Yuma area. There's their phone number. Here's our little box. He's putting, he's already measured it, and for the arms come down, and they got his holes drilled. Now he's putting the awning up here. This is the part that amazes me. They can do this by themselves. So he's putting that up. Brian's his name. Nice feller. He's got to slide that awning all the way down this track right here. Let me get shade. If I can get to the shade. That little track there where you slide that down. Looks like it's a little boogered on that end. Okay, on this end though. Then the tracks itself will be sliding right down through here. And yeah. We'll see how he does that. Uh-oh, problems. I don't know. Problems. They don't slide that way. That's not good. Well, we'll cut back in here when he starts. Almost got it all the way in.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
That's what you was hoping she'd say. Past that little area there, looks like it'll be okay. It'll be much easier.
Yeah.
It looks more open.
Hope so.
Gary's doing the heavy lifting.
That's the first time I've seen Gary use his head to help hold that up. Look.
I'm gonna go get some lunch. I'll be right back.
Ain't no ferry too far away. I can't hear your insult.
Okay, good.
Huh? I'm gonna move back so I can.
I can move the pipe. We can hold it here and I'll move the ladder over. I can hold more.
Well, as you can see, I speeded the film up a little bit here. Yeah, made me kind of smile that he couldn't do it without my help. Well, it would have, nah, he couldn't have done it. The problem was the track was squeezed together up there. Well, it was really painted and it had a coat of paint on it, which squeezed the gap so close he couldn't get that thing through there. Finally, he put some lubricant on it, and with a little prying and a lot of help from me holding it up so it's square, he got her on there, and of course I had to move around a lot, and I could only use my one arm, so that was kind of hard. Hank was watching. He was very interested, you can see.
Oh, there's what's
That's
going
the way it's
on.
supposed to happen the first time.
Way smoother.
Do I need to?
I got it.
Okay.
That were a booger.
Now we definitely want to mark that down if Gary did do work.
Yeah. You're tall. Can you reach that clamp?
Oh, as far as you go.
Yeah.
I can get. Oh, hang on.
I got it. I'll just roll over to.
Can you stand on that little step stool?
Well.
Jump, Forrest, jump.
She's up there.
Hang
A little
on,
heavy.
I'm gonna be right here.
All I gotta do is unclamp this. Here, just hold on to that thing while we're gonna roll it down. So we're gonna let it kind of. Yep.
Let it rock down slow. Huh? Look at that. That's a good patch. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Oh yeah. Good choice, Brian.
Nice. I like that color.
Thank you, Jesus. That's over with, huh?
Look at the sweat he did.
Well, as you can see, we did the old high speed on this one too. Makes you nervous when they drill in the side of there. And but he knew what he was doing. He did a good job of installation. I knew they would. That's why I called them guys. And he's going to show you in this very next clip how it operates. And he showed us also. So look at it roll. Its first roll.
Oops.
I don't like it when the guy installer goes, oops.
Damn it, boy. That does look pretty cool.
It looks like.
Cool. Now we got to do it. See, we got to carry that little battery pack around with us to roll it in and out.
Oh, bullshit.
That's cool. Got that part. Well, we were going to have the lights put underneath there, but that was another $230. So what I did is I ordered my own light kit and I installed it right down there. I think it turned out okay. Well, we got our lights on. It is St. Patrick's Day. I know you guys are getting this a wee later. But we just put her out that far. That's all we needed. I like it. We can change colors on that light anytime we want to. And I made another video, but I wanted to put this one on in front of it. And now we're going to switch gears into the next video. But that's good. I like that. I like that. Okay, let's switch gears. So this video was getting long enough, so I'm going to quit it right here. I'm not going to put on another clip. But as you can see, we had a good time with that light shining at night. We just sit out there and talk because it was cooler. And I really like it. I like it a lot.
I hope you're enjoying these videos. We have a lot of content from our adventure in Yuma. Please subscribe to our channel's YouTube and Patreon so you get all the updates as we post them. It really helps. Thank you.